How to activate the Bank of America credit card account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about activating your Bank of America credit card online account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open your preferred web browser such as Google Chrome, and in the search bar at the top, type activate the Bank of America credit card and click on the first website option that is indicating the activating your credit card. And once you reach on this website, you can activate your credit card using your online banking ID and the passcode to confirm your identity and verify your card. Scroll down to find the two sections that is already using the online banking and not yet enrolled in the online banking. If you're already registered, choose the sign in to the online banking option and simply enter your user ID and the password and then click on login to access your credit card. If not registered yet, you can select the enroll in the online banking option and provide your card or the account number, SSN or TIN, and click on continue to register your account. And after registration, you will have the access to your credit card. And that's how you can activate your Bank of America credit card easily. If you found this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.